What's going on, guys? CryptoHoy here with another quick update on Wall Street memes. So right now we are starting to see this pattern forming, which is some consolidation and correction at the same time. It was trading a little bit sideways, but now the ceiling is starting to go down. The resistance right here is getting tighter, and the support level is also getting tighter, starting to increase as well. So we see here some bouncing around, which is showing that every time it hits around 3.5 cents, it bounces back up, but then it hits a ceiling, you know, like it just hits its head in the ceiling and then it falls back down. Some resistance here at around almost 4 cents, and then it falls back down, and then it hits again about 3.5 cents, and that pretty much happens until it reaches close to 4 cents, and then it falls back down. And then again, once it goes around 3.5 cents, is able to get some support, and it doesn't let it go below that, but instead it pushes the price back up, which is good to see. But now once it reaches around 0.038, then now instead of going higher than that, now it's reaching this new ceiling that is bringing the price down. But at the same time, the support level, is now at 36. So it has increased a little bit, and now we're getting closer into this tension point. And really from here is to see which one is stronger, which pressure is stronger here to break this tension point. Is it going to be the selling pressure or the buying pressure? And in my price prediction, or my theory, is that since right now there's not really much going on for this token, most likely I don't believe that this is going to, when the tension point hits and it breaks, I don't believe that it's going to go up, because it could happen, right? That let's say that there's more buying pressure, then once it breaks to this tension point, then it can shoot up, and then it can create some FOMO from there, when more people may want to join in for fear of missing out, and then that can even push the price even further up. But in my theory, or my price prediction, is that once it hits here, it's just most probable going to go down, simply because there isn't much going on with this token. We see here some selling that happened earlier on Sunday, and then it started to create this correction right here and consolidation. But yeah, I pretty much believe that this whole process right here is most likely going to repeat itself, but at a lower price. And I say that because the only thing that right now Wall Street Meme has going on for them is basically one thing, which is, well, it's actually two, but it's a combination of two things, but focusing on one, which is staking. All right, so they have this 42% APY currently, Wall Street Meme staking rewards, which is linked to the buyback that is going to be completed in one day. They're going to have a massive $1 million of buybacks, which is going to be completed in just about a day. And this buyback, the $1 million, those tokens are going to be sent into the 30% community rewards under tokenomics, which is what is also for which is used also for the staking rewards. So speaking about staking rewards, let's take a quick look at that right now. So right now, staking rewards is pretty much around the same price, or I'm sorry, around the same amount of stake tokens, which is 473 million. So it hasn't really changed from yesterday, and the estimated rewards is still the same, like at 42%. So nothing major has changed here. But where there has been a little bit of a change is the number of holders, which is on a positive number. It has increased from 36,800 or so. Now it's at 37,076. So it has increased a little bit more, which is great to see, because the more holders join in, then that's going to create a little bit more stability on the price. And let's go here just to go back here to the charts. And so for the most part, if you bought this token in the pre-sale, let's say either stage 1, or if you bought this even in the final pre-sale stage, which was at 0.033, so just above 3 cents, you're still, in the green, you're still in the positive. Now, you're not going to be making a lot of money, of course. You're not making like 2x, 3x, or nothing like that, but at least you're not in the negative. So let's say that if you bought this at about, let me see here, if you bought this at around like 337, so that's going to be like around right here or so, and we were to compare it here to the current price, more or less, so that's roughly just like 11% that is up. So it's not even like it's not even like 2x or nothing like that, or 1.5x. This is like 1.10 or 11x pretty much. So it's nothing major, right? But at least is much better than being upside down or in the negative. But if you bought this, let's say that you bought this maybe earlier, let's say you bought this at stage 1. So let me just go over here to stage 1, so which was like 2.5 cents, so roughly around here, let's say, and we were to put it more or less where the price is right now. So you're looking at about 49%, so that is like 50%. Let's round it up to 50, so that's like 1.5 or 1.50 or 1.5x pretty much. So it's not too bad. Of course, it's not ideal, but it's better, than being in the negative and, losing money. But that's pretty much where we're at right here. Share your thoughts. What do you guys think is most likely on your price prediction? What do you think is going to happen once it reaches some sort of tension points here in the future? Do you believe that it's going to go up, that it's going to shoot up and create some FOMO? Or do you believe that there's going to be the selling pressure is going to be much greater than the buying pressure, which is going to cause a little bit more of a sell-off, similar to what we see here, and then create a new support level, a new correction and consolidation level similar to this, but at a lower price? Share your thoughts. What do you guys think down below, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.